The other thing I'll show is I posted this in Slack, but I've been doing the vibe coding thing too a little bit here on this Figma plugin, working with the Omni API. So let me go back to Chrome real quick. Like have this document here, and oftentimes when like working in Figma, like if you want like to get something realistic, it's really painful to go like create tables or do anything. And so I was kind of curious to see if I could use our API to help with that. So I'm actually usually when I'm working with tables, it's more like in the workbook view. So like I'm going to grab this table. So in Figma, you can put in a new document ID, request it. This like requests all the queries on this document. I have a little bit of like metadata, like when you click through to kind of see like uh, what's the structure of the query here, because like pivots don't work well in this plugin yet because they're hard to do in the layout. But if I want to grab like this top customers one, it's like, you know, end result, 6 fields. It should work good here, and the demo gods are with me. Cool, it's now built uh, a layout in Figma for me. It's, not perfect. Some of these things I don't have them sized right yet, but they are like using our components. So if I want to like switch this to like a measure here, I could do it. Or like potentially like switch this type to, instead of a string, to a number, like write a line. Um, so it's pretty fun, and it makes like working with like if you want real data in Figma so much easier than trying to like go structure these tables. Like don't have formatting working quite well. Still view names are pulling through here, but um, fun to work with. And potential here is like bringing in other content from Omni here in Figma designing. But also the really interesting thing is like it's not hard to set up. So like you imagine like designing a dashboard in here and like pushing it to Omni and like structuring your layout or doing things like that eventually. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that's it.